Now we will move on the next topic of SQL course, SQL union. In joins, we actually combine columns from multiple tables. Just like here you can see that I have a table order, and in this query I am taking some columns from order table and some column from the customer tables and so on. In SQL, union statement or union operator is used to combine rows of multiple select statements into a single result set. Or simply you can say union statement is used to combine multiple result set into a single result set. The basic difference between SQL join and union is that in case of join we combine columns from the multiple tables, but in case of union we basically combine rows from the multiple tables, or you can say rows from the multiple set. For example, if I write the query select static from orders where customer number in 363 and I can say 181, paste here, I change the condition 128 and 181. This query is returning 6 rows, and also this query is returning the 7 rows. Consider that if I execute both these queries at once, then what happens? Actually, there are two result set. Here you can see there are two tabs. First one is for the 363 and 181. Here you can see. In the second result set, you can see the customer number 128 and 181. Instead of displaying the records in different result set, if I want to combine these two queries, then what I will do, I will remove the semicolon from here. I will just keep here union, and just at the end I will put the semicolon. Now this is basically a single statement, and if I will execute this statement, this should return the both result, but now it should return into a single result set. Here you can see in the tab I have only one result set, and the both queries have been combined and the records also have been combined, and the result is displaying into a single result set. But in this case you can see that here are only 10 rows written. So actually if I execute one by one, then it should be 6 rows here and the 7 rows here, mean there should be 13 rows. But when I combine these both queries, it is only returning 10 rows. Now the reason is that the union statement will display the unique records, means distinct records. It will not repeat the records, or you can say it will not show the duplicate records. Only the unique records or the distinct records will be displayed. But if I put here union all, then in this case these rows should be 13, and here you can see the 13 rows have been recorded, and so in this way we can use union all, which will display all the records. Now there are some rules regarding union statement. We can combine 2 or more result sets even here, and just if I copy this here, I am going to copy, and here I am going to write 181 and 121, and here I put union all. Now here you can see the results. I am going to combine of 3 SQL statements and it should work. And here you can see it have returned the 16 records. So it means in union we can use the multiple select. It can be 2 different select statement, or it can be 3 different select statement, and so on. But every select statement with union must have the same number of columns, means order number. Here I say order date. Here I say customer number. And if I break in 2 lines so that easily I can read this, and let's make a little bit smaller so that can be adjusted in a single screen. Now here I will copy the same column number. Instead of static, I will put these column. Similarly, I will put these. If I execute, it should be executed successfully here, you can see. But what if I change some column? Suppose I remove this column from the first select statement, and if now I try to execute, it should return an error. And the error, what is error? The use select statement have a different number of column, so it means the number of column should be equal in each SQL statement, then it will work perfectly. Here you can see now it is working perfectly. And the second rule is that the column must have similar data types as well. And the columns in every select statement must be in the same order. We need to apply these rules and then the union will work perfectly. So this was all about the unions. So hopefully you will use it and will enjoy it.